How to find hidden apps on iPhone home screen. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Now, swipe till you find the app library. Once you find it, scroll down to the bottom. Here, you will see an empty folder like this. Tap on the folder to view. It will require your Face ID to maintain privacy. After you're verified, a hidden app will show up in the folder. Now, tap on the folder to open it. Verify with your Face ID. Once you are in, you can use the app. Upon minimizing, the app will automatically hide itself. This way, you can find all the apps you've hidden. So by following these simple steps, you can easily find hidden apps on iPhone home screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.